music everywhere, Peru to Senegal. I'm humming, drumming, dumming, I'm the ghost of Faffner. Music high, music low, I go down on a hole. With me around, sounds of all, the ghost of Faffner. Music for a tuba, a drum, a voice of air. Come my dears and bring your ears and you can play as well. Sound the music everywhere, the fill of us all. With me around, sounds above the world. The bells of
Oh, hi, Riff. Riff, have you laid your cute little eyes on Fugetta recently?
I saw a ghost.
No. That wasn't a ghost. Faffner Hall isn't haunted. It must have been something you ate. No. If I ever get my hands on Fugetta, I'll kill her. Come back.
Good thing she's dead already. Oh, I wonder what she's done now.
I didn't do anything, my darling. I just happened to float into the room when that cowardly man was about to buy the hall. He wanted to turn it into a factory for making cash registers.
Cash registers?
Ching! Just as well, he suddenly changed his mind and decided to leave. Ah, well, if you'll excuse me, I must continue my sound check.
Wait a minute. Whoa there. What do you mean, sound check? And what is that thing you've got stuck in your ear?
Oh, this is not a thing, Mimi dear. It's an ear trumpet. Being dead has done nothing for my hearing. Shh! Listen! Do you think that's a ghost?
Well,
Maybe. Depends on what a ghost sounds like.
Oh, this could be serious. Wait for me here.
Yeah? May I help you?
I thought I heard a sound.
Where?
In there.
Here? Yes. There are many sounds in here. Come on and listen. Many sounds, but not the right sound.
Oh.
Not the sound that would make me happy.
Talking of sounds, I wonder if I might ask you all rather a personal question. Are any of you, that is to say, have you ever been at any time or recently deceased by any chance?
One moment. Hands up, any of you who are dead. All alive. Thank goodness.
You're not ghosts then?
Ghosts? There are certainly no ghosts here. Forgive me. I have forgotten to introduce myself. I am H.K. Gruber. I am a composer. And this is the orchestra.
How do you do?
And now we play you all our sounds, starting from number 7.
Number 7?
Yeah?
Not from number 1?
All right, you want to be pedantic? We start from number 1. Number 1! 3, 6, 2, 5, 7, 8.
Oh, how lovely.
No, not lovely. Nasty.
Nasty?
Yeah, there is a gap between 8 and 9.
But why?
Well, I cannot find it. I've searched everywhere, and I didn't find a single sound. Actually, I found nothing. Oh. What's that?
Why, it happens to be my ear trumpet.
to my brain, sight for sore ears, nectar to my nose. Now we can play, now we can it. Please, bitte sehr. Little mouse, takes me to his mousy house. Now he nibbles out my eye, lost without my eye. I must bake a currant pie with raisins sweet. Pick, to out but not to eat. Stick them in to be my eyes. Ah, the sunshine bright surprise. Perfect! Now we have got it. That's my piece. It is.
Gapless.
Thank you so much, dear lady. Oh, look at them. They are so happy.
Oh, I'm so thrilled that I could help.
Well, if you will excuse us now.
Of course.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. What a charming man.
Well, still no sign of her. What are you doing?
What does it look like?
Got me.
When you tap a glass of hot water, it sounds different to a glass of cold water.
No kidding.
Yeah, listen.
Well, you'll be glad to know that was not a ghost.
Fugetta, where have you been? We waited in that corridor till the cows came home.
No.
Go home now.
I told you, Mimi, darling, I'm doing a sound check.
What is a sound check?
I'm afraid it's not something I'm at liberty to discuss with just anyone.
Oh, this I got to hear.
Oh, you can tell us. We're your friends.
Well, every half century or so, I must do a sound check. Or to make it clearer, I must check for sounds.
Well, that's the what, but what's the why?
Page 17, paragraph 4C of Rules for the Dead states quite clearly that no two ghosts are allowed to haunt the same home.
Whoopity whoopity. That's the best news I've had in years. One ghost coming right up.
So the only way to tell if there's another ghost around is by listening?
Yes.
Is there anything we can do to help?
Ta-da! Captain Sound reporting for duty.
Oh, look! I think Riff wants to use his digital ear-o-matic sound sensor to help you with your sound check. Isn't he cute?
Yes, very cute.
Shh! Listen. Oh, what's that?
Water dripping.
How do you know it's not blood dripping off the end of some gruesome ghoul's filthy fingernails?
Oh, you silly boy, because water dripping sounds like this. Drip, drip, drip. And blood dripping from some gruesome ghoul's filthy fingernails sounds like this. Drip, drip, drip.
Oh.
How do you know?
Ghosts love sound, my darlings. Ghosts are sound.
They are?
Everything is sound. Listen. What do you hear? Is it loud? Or is it soft? Is it short? Or is it long? Is it close? Or is it far away? Is it high? Or
listen closely, you will see that the dripping cannot be the blood of a gruesome ghoul's filthy fingernails. It's the bathtub. The shower's leaking.
You're right.
Oh, 1 or 2 more sound checks. You'll get the hang of it.
Shh. What's that?
I don't know, but I don't like it one bit. If you would like to help, you can start now. Follow me!
Right, that's microphone, amplifier, brick, brush, sandpaper, bicycle horn. Cash register. I love it when tennis shoes go into the spin cycle.
Parkers! Stop that revolting noise at once!
What noise?
Oh, how am I supposed to rest in peace with that going on?
You're not, and I don't care. Do you hear me? I don't care! If I can't have a factory full of cash registers, why should you have peace? I'd almost sold this place before you came in.
Fizzle-dip-pop!
What have you done?
I've blown a fuse.
Oh, now I'll have to fix it. It gives me a perfect excuse to leave.
Just look at this place, filled with second-hand washing machines. It's disgraceful. Oh, an insult to my ears. Oh, why did I have a brother who had a son, who had a son, who had a son, who had a Farkas? Oh.
Good question.
I sometimes dream about what it would be like if somebody who loved sound was here instead of Farkas.
Shh. Listen.
What's that?
Follow your ears!
Oh, yes.
It's coming from in there.
Oh, no! What? Archibald McTavish Faffner.
Who?
Bugler with the 3rd Regiment of the Scottish Highlanders. Struck down at the Battle of Balaclava on the windswept heights of Sevastopol.
You mean he's...
I do. He has come home. Oh, no!
He doesn't sound like a dead, windswept Scottish bugler.
Well, dear friends, Archibald has returned.
Look, it's...
And so, it's time for me to leave and say farewell.
Hi there. You here for your trumpet lesson? What's the matter? Look like you've seen a ghost.
Leave this haunt. Go to other haunts and haunt them too.
Fugetta!
All that I ask is that you do not forget me.
Fugetta! It's not Archibald McTavish Faffner.
No, it's Dizzy Gillespie!
The great jazz musician.
Hi there.
How do you do? How delightful! And what an unexpected pleasure.
The pleasure is all mine, dear lady. So you have come for a trumpet lesson also.
Me? Oh, goodness, no. Oh, you mean my psychic sound searcher? No, we thought your sounds were the sounds of a snooping spectre, but it was just your trumpet.
My trumpet? makes all kinds of sounds, all kinds of feelings. Memories and dreams come through this little horn here, honey.
But why is your trumpet shaped like that?
Well, my trumpet used to look like everyone else's trumpet, straight. But one day, someone knocked my trumpet over and the bell got bent.
Oh, no!
Oh, yeah. But I picked it up and played it anyway. And do you know what?
No? What?
Well, I picked it up and I played it. And you know, the music came right at me, not out there. Something like this.
Mr. Gillespie.
Just call me Dizzy.
Dizzy. What I wanted to ask was, how can I put this? When you, when you do that thing with your cheeks.
Like this.
Yes, how do you do it?
Practice.
What other sounds can you make with your trumpet?
Like.
So many beautiful sounds could come out of a single trumpet.
Well, I'm afraid we better be moseying along now. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah, keep busy, Dizzy.
Goodbye. Farewell. Toodaloo. Well, that was certainly not a ghost. The sound check is complete, and I am the only ghost haunting Faffner Hall.
And long may you live. Die. Oh, never mind.
Shh. Listen. I can't tell where the sound is coming from.
It seems to be everywhere.
And nowhere. This calls for another sound check. Oh, boy.
I don't like this one little bit.
Me neither. What is it?
You get her. You get her, Faffner.
They're calling your name.
I have bad news for you. Bad news. You get her. You are homeless.
Homeless?
I have moved in.
Who are you?
I am the ghost. The ghost of J.J. Reddy.
J.J. Reddy?
Yeah, you may never have heard of me, but I invented the cash register in 1877.
Well, what's he doing here?
I want to fill the hall with sounds of cash registers. But I can't do that with you around, so get out! Do you hear me? You know the rules. One ghost only. And I am that ghost.
Mimi! Riff! I feel faint.
You look faint.
You sound faint.
Oh, Fiugetta, don't give up.
All right. Perhaps I should fight this fiend.
Damn, don't try to fight me, 'cause I'm much bigger and nastier and spookier and ghoulier than you ever were. Faffner Hall ain't big enough for the both of us, so bye-bye.
I can't believe this is happening to me. I can't fight a ghost who's bigger, nastier, spookier, and ghoulier than I. I must leave.
Don't go yet.
I must find the wild impresario to say goodbye.
Wild impresario, where's Fiugetta? Hasn't she appeared yet?
Nope.
Wild, what are you doing?
I'm listening to the sound of one hand clapping. Want to hear?
Flaunton! Daunton!
Fiugetta! Oh, what's wrong? You're looking so pale.
Fiugetta, you can't go yet. Faffner Hall is your home. You can't leave it just like that.
She can! And she will. She knows the rules. One ghost only. Now go! Shoo!
What's going on here? Who are you?
I am the ghost of J.J. Ritty. I invented the cash register in 1877.
But J.J. Ritty invented the cash register in 1878.
He did?
He did?
He did?
He did. I'm sorry, but there's something fishy going on around here.
I couldn't agree more.
I don't like this one little bit. I must investigate. Time. I'm stuck. Who is this?
He's a fake. If you ask me, he didn't sound right from the start.
I think you may have a point.
Take off the sheet. Take off the sheet.
Begone! Farkas!
Naughty little Farkas. What will he think of next?
Well, we'll see. Time!
There is nothing fishy. I am not a fish. I am a ghost. And I want you.
What do you want?
I want you to disappear. Why aren't you disappearing? Oops.
Mr. Faffner.
So you were making all those noises, huh? You were the ghost?
Yes. I'd do anything to get rid of her.
Well, it didn't work, did it?
Now, just you wait, Fiugetta. I'll get you next time. What's that noise?
I am the ghost of J.J. Ritty. What man dares to impersonate me?
Oh dear, is that the time? Must be going.
Are you really a ghost?
No, but I can sound just like one.